That's beginning to come out, as you can see. See, like this. So let me see the light again. Today I'm going to show you how to generate bio cooking gas from trash. Biogas are the gas we use for cooking at home. So I'm going to show you how to generate from the food you throw away in the morning, cow shit, fowl shit, and even wolf shit. So we are going to you can use other trash, but let us concentrate on this food in the morning, what is closer to us. And I'm going to use this rubber for the job. So let's jump in. Oh yeah, so we are going to use this rubber, but if you really cook a lot, you should use this big rubber, this GP tank or any other type of rubber or drum, but let it be rubber, not iron. So this is the trash. This is just trash. In the morning we eat, we pour the remaining one here. So this thing contain pepper, rice, amala, soup, etc. This is all what is here inside here. And we are going to use this gas connector. So if you want to use this small mini gas, you should use this type of connector. Or if you are already using the cylinder that you connect from outside, then use this type, so that you can just put your pipe here and then turn it on and off through here. So but for now I'm going to make use of this one, because I'm going to use this small mini gas for my testing. So I'm going to use this one here. So the first thing we are going to do is you get your rubber cut like this. Just cut it this way to the size of this connector. You cut it this way, and you know, gas is a very strong something, so you don't need a space. That's why we have this LP gum in this place. So I'm going to put this connector to this place, and then tie it with this place before I use my gum to gum it very well. So I'm going to tie this connector to this place like this. This connector here like this. You need to make it set and stable. So I told you earlier, if you are to use the type of gas outside, the cylinder outside, make use of this one. You put this one here. Or I don't use that one, so I'm going to just use this one here. So the next thing I'm going to do is to mix my don't need a space, so let it mix very well, so that I'm just gum to that place. Think like this. So to this we are going to use it and cover this place, this space here like this. No way to remove this gum, so I think I'm going to give this one entirely to one of my viewer, but my subscriber. So but the problem there is, how am I going to do way bill with waste, cow shit, fowl shit for road? I think I'm going to have a little difficult on that, but I'll try and give it to one of my subscriber. But I'm doing so. So one of my lucky subscriber, I'm going to give this one to you. So let it cover everywhere. I think this is okay, but you can use all instead of waste, but because of time, so let us keep it aside, and then we are going to pour the waste here. This is our waste, different kind of waste everywhere. Pour it in here like this. Show you inside. Okay, it's okay. So we are also going to use the gum for the body of this rubber. I think I'm going to use hand for this one so that it will not. I'm going to use this gum here like this. I need to leave a space. Something about this gum is that even a little, anyhow little, will gum. And let us also use this top also, this top side also. Like this. So here we are. Then I just cover it up. Cover it up like this. Okay, in here, depending on the type of food you put inside, the kind of I mean, depending the kind of waste you put inside. If you put grass, just grasses, you need to wait for like 7 days. If you put food like rice and other kind of food that contain oil, contain maggi and salt, you need to wait for like maybe 3 days before you start getting gas. And if you put a food like rubber, just rubber, all this, just melt rubber and then pour here, you need to wait for like 12 days. So the best food to use here is, I think the best waste to use here is what you eat in the morning. Preserve the rest or sweep them and then put them inside something and put them here. So 3 days after, let us see the result of this, and that is it. So let us wait and see for some days. We need to wait for days. Let's wait and see. So welcome here. This is what I told you last I think it's not on
Friday.
Okay, Friday, right? Yeah. I told you 3 days ago that if you use your cylinder outside, you have a gas cylinder outside, just buy this one and then connect it to the top of this place, then connect pipe outside like this. But this is not what I'm using, so I'm going to just use this small mini gas for the test. So just for the test, and but for you to use this thing for cooking, make sure it's more far away more than this, so you can use a long pipe to avoid getting heat here. So this thing is very close, and there is no way to open this, and the rubber also swell up more than the way it was. So that simply means the gas is already generated. So we are going to tie this one here. I'm going to tie this one here like this, and let's tie it very well. To tie very well to this place like this. Then let's see how it's going to work. So take it far away from the rubber so that it won't get hot. It won't hurt the rubber. So see how it's done. Turn it on here. Then on it. On. This is the gas. Let me shift this. Okay, as you can see, let me shift this light part so that you can see very well. You see, it's generating gas, and you can increase and decrease the volume. This gas you see here is from this rubber. Show them here. This gas is from this rubber, then it pump out to this place. When I on it through here, as you can see, and I turn it on, the gas begins to come out, as you can see. See, like this. So let me see the light here. Set the light to this place. So this is how it is. You can shift back, shift back to show this before. You can put your food up here and then cook whatever you like in this place. So that's how it works. And before I go, let me remind that fkTech will never ask you to send money for anybody. We don't ask people to pay us money, and we don't charge people for anything. So thank you very much for watching. My name is FK, and this is fkTech. Thank you very much.